Hey guys, welcome back to Airspeed. In this video we are going to repair the camera glass on this Samsung S21. The back of this device is made out of plastic and we need to protect the plastic portion of the back cover when we heat up the back of this device. Everybody has a piece of cardboard in their house, so that's why I'm using a piece of cardboard. It is very possible to do this back cover replacement without putting a protection on the plastic portion. Please put some protection to avoid any damage to your back cover. You do not want to replace the back cover after you attempted to replace the camera glass of your device. True that you can do it without protection, but better be safe than sorry. After you've cut the portion of cardboard that you need, use a piece of duct tape to attach the cardboard to the frame of your device. After completing this first step, we are ready to heat up the back of the device. Please do not point on one area only. You need to swing the heat gun right and left around the three camera glasses, and that will help you heat up everything at the same time. I was using the lowest setting on this heat gun. The easiest way to remove the broken camera glass is to insert your sharp blade between the camera glass and the camera bezel. Once you have your sharp blade inside, you need to grab the camera glass as a whole, and it is still attached together with the double-sided tape that it had. After that, you need to tap the device gently in order to remove any other pieces and debris left inside the hole. The first one is done. We need to apply the same principle and remove the middle camera glass that is broken. Very important, you need to have safety glasses when you do this kind of repair. We did apply the same thing, and the third camera glass should be out very shortly. On your first time, you might not be able to remove the camera glass in one piece. That's okay, you can remove it piece by piece, but it's going to take you a little bit more time than what I did in this video. When it's done, you need to tap the device around to make sure that all the debris, all the pieces of glass are out of the camera bezel. You will also need to test all the cameras, all your rear cameras, to make sure everything focuses and you do not have a blurry situation. Once all that is done, we can move to the next step in the reinstallation of the camera glass. So the supplier that I purchased the replacement camera glass sent me the one for the S21 Ultra, which are way bigger than the one that I need for this S21. So I tried something with B7000 and it didn't work. Never use B7000 for your camera glass replacement, especially on the S21 series of phone. So I had to clean up everything that was B7000 on this camera bezel. And a few days later, I received the right part for this phone. It came with a 3 double-sided camera glass and another 3 double-sided camera glass as a spare. If you ever need to do this repair again, you will have those spares available for you to do it. And they also supply this blade that I have on my right hand, and you can use this to remove the blue plastic film, the protection on the double-sided tape, so that you have the camera glass in your hands and you can proceed in the installation of the camera glass. The installation is very easy also. You just have to make sure that you do not touch the sticky side of the camera glass while handling the camera glass. Move the camera glass into the camera bezel. Once you have it perfectly aligned with the circle of the camera bezel, you need to apply a little bit of pressure with your fingers. Do not overdo it, but just as much as you need for the camera glass to stick firmly onto the camera bezel. So you need to have some tweezers to hold the camera glass into place and use the blade that they gave you to remove the protecting plastic film and proceed onto the installation. Make sure that you do not touch too much the sticky side of the camera glass. Place the camera glass into the hole and then start to apply some adjustment to make sure it sits firmly inside the camera bezel, and then apply some pressure with your fingers to make sure that it sticks firmly inside the camera bezel. 2 down, only 1 left to go. We need to do the same thing like a surgeon. We need to do our operation on the camera glass, remove the blue protecting film, and then we can go ahead and proceed into the installation of the third and last camera glass. So for the part and tools that I use, I will make sure that I put all the links into the description so you can have easy access to all the tools and parts that I used in this video. Also make sure that you subscribe to our channel to make sure that you do not miss the water resistance video test after we do a repair on this S21. I'm going to have a water resistance video after doing the back cover and the camera glass on this device, and we will see if the device stays waterproof or not. After installation of all 3 camera glasses, we need to inspect the camera bezel for any kind of misalignment, elevation on the camera glass, and anything that seems out of place. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, like and share, and I will see you guys next time. Happy holidays, happy new year.